whatever. And look at this. This is a 10 pair. See that? I couldn't resist. You know why? You know how much these were? I mean, you can find just one pair of these for, I don't know, $5-6, up to $10 or so, depending, you know, what brand they are and stuff. But they're fine. Guess how much for this 10 pair bag, this 10 pack? $7.88, I think. That means $7.78 a pair. I don't even need these right now. Remember, I have some orange ones. And in fact, oh, I just see them. This cracked me up. Look, I haven't even gotten them out of the bag yet. This was a 5 pair, and I bought these for, I don't know, $4.99 for a 5 pair. So it made them about, you know, $1 a pair. And I've got to use those, but you know, I use that kind of stuff all the time. And I like this color. 78 cents a pair? You can't go wrong with that. I mean, they don't always have them like that. You just have to look. Speaking of all those orange gloves, look at these. These are the ones that I've been using, and they're getting pretty old now, and they're just now starting to fail on the tips of my fingers. And after a while, when they get almost this bad, you might as well chuck them. I'm getting ready to chuck these, and they get this old, your hand starts smelling kind of rubbery, old dirty rubber after you use these, so you got to make sure you really wash your hands good. But once you start getting pinholes in them, then you get the dirt in there and all that. So these are just about ready for the trash. Yeah. I've got a few more brand new orange pairs before opening up my other bag of orange ones. And who knows, maybe I'll use my green ones next. But next time you're at Home Depot, check it out. You know, look for a pack like this. This has to be a 5 pack. And here was those other ones, a 10 pack. And it looks like it's from the same company. See? 10 pack was cheaper than buying the 5 pack. I can't remember. I bought these so long ago that I can't remember how much they cost. I think they were like $5 for a 5 pack. That would make these $1 a piece. 10 pack for $7.88, 78 cents each. Can you believe that? Home Depot, baby. And look at these. These are a little bit heavier. These are kind of not really leathery per se, but tough working gloves. This is from the same place, and this was a 3 pack. Now, if I was doing construction every day, these kind of have leather. They're kind of padded a little bit. And I bought a 3 pack several months ago, and I think that was $8 or $9. But if you buy one pair, you know, one pair of these, kind of like this, I mean, you could pay up to $10 to $12, depending how heavy duty they are. But always look for a 3 pack, 5 pack, 10 pack, something like that, because you can always save money when you buy in bulk. Remember that.
Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.